Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14, and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. This is the third part of our video. Okay, we are solving the grade 5 previous year question paper 2022 set A. Okay, so let's start from the question number 21. The given figure is folded to make a cube in this way. Which of these is not a correct formation of the cube? So you can see when we just rotate this like this, and we will rotate it in the downward, it will be rotated in the upward, and this will rotate it in the left side. Okay, so you can notice E and F will be opposite to each other, and B and D will be opposite to each other, and C and A will be opposite to each other. Okay, now so ED can be adjacent to each other. Yes, it can be possible. And EC can be adjacent to each other. It can be possible. Option A can be possible. Now CB. So CB adjacent to each other. Yes. CF adjacent to each other. Yes, possible. DC. So DC adjacent to each other. Yes. CF adjacent to each other. Yes, it is also possible. Now FE. This is your F, this is your E. No, FE is opposite to each other and it is showing here adjacent to each other. It can't be possible. The 21 answer will be option D. Question number 22. Which one of the following numbers will replace the question mark in this pattern? So first we need to understand the pattern. Okay? So we can see square of this plus square of this. It means 3 square plus 4 square equal to 9 plus 16, that is your 25. The mid column is coming. Now 6 square plus 5 square 36 plus 25, this is equal to 61. Okay, 8 square plus 3 square, it is a 64 plus 9, that is your 73. Now 9 square plus 7 square will be 9 nines are 81 plus 49. This is equal to 130. It is in the option number A. The 22nd answer will be option A. Question number 23. Which one of these figure has a line of symmetry? Figure 1. Figure 1. See, so if we just take the line of symmetry like this, so this is colored, this is not colored, not symmetric. We take in this way, this is colored, not symmetric. In this way, if we go, so this is correct, but this shape is not colored here, rejected. In this way, if we take, this is colored, okay, this too is colored, this too is colored, but at this part, this is not colored and this is colored. So not symmetric. Figure 1 is not symmetric. Come to figure 2. Figure 2, vertical, no symmetry, or this way, no symmetry. But if we check in this way, colored, colored, not colored, not colored, not colored, not colored, 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 not colored, not colored, 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 not colored, not colored, colored, colored. Yes. The figure 2 is symmetric. Symmetric means it can be half, it can be divided into exact half. The 32nd answer will be option B. Okay. The 32nd answer will be option B. 23rd answer will be option B. Okay, question number 24. How many triangles are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and this is your one more 5 triangles. This is your one more 6 triangles. So total 6 triangles are there. So 24th answer will be option C. Question number 25. Find the water image of the given figure. So water image means upside down flip. Okay? So this will not be the answer. This will not be the answer. Answer can be B, can be D. But answer will be B because we can see the colored part of this circle. It has also flipped and the triangle is also flipped here. It is not same in the option D. That's why we will go with the option B. So 25th answer will be option B. Question number 26. Match the column A and column B and choose the correct option. The largest prime factor of 3186 will be. So 3186, take out the prime factor of this. So 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 nines are, 2 threes are. Now take 3 fives are, 3s are, 1s are. Again take 3 ones are, 7s are, 7s are. Again take 3 fives are and nines are. So 59 is the largest prime number for this. So option B is the will match. The difference between the LCM and HCF of 24 and 96 is we can see 20 in 24 stable, 96 will come. So that's why LCM will be 96 and HCF will be your 24. If you subtract both of them, 6 minus 4, 2, it will be 72. It is in the option number D. So this will be D. 7 less than the 8 multiple of 9. 8 multiple of 9, 72 minus 7. So 12 minus 7, 5 and 65. It is in the option number A. तो थर्ड हो जाएगा आपका A, तो 4 हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन C. इसलिए 26 का आंसर होगा आपका ऑप्शन D. तो 26 आंसर इज ऑप्शन D. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. The given figure is made up of 5 identical rectangles, 1 equilateral triangle A, B, C and 1 semicircle whose diameter is CD. Find the perimeter of the whole figure. So this is 28 centimeter of the equilateral triangle. So this will be also 28 centimeter. So arc length, arc CD will be half of the circumference of the circle. That is your pi d upon 2. So it means 22 by 7 multiply by 1 by 2 into D. D हो गया आपका 28. So 7 4s are 28, 2 11s are, so that is your 11 4s are 44. ठीक है. So this is the 44 length. And here you can notice this plus this will be 28 and this plus this will be your 28. So perimeter 28 plus 28 plus 44 plus 28 plus 28. This is your 156 centimeter. It is in the option number C. So 27th answer will be option C. Question number 28. Match column A and column B and then choose the correct option. So this 6 divide by 6, ये हो गया आपका 1. 6 multiply by 1, 6 1 6 and 6 plus 6 12, 12 minus 6, it will be 6 only and it can be written as 2 multiply by 3. So 1 will be your C and 6 times 6. So second है आपका 6 multiply by 6, it can be written as 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2. It means 3 to the power 2 multiply by 2 to the power 2. ये है आपका ऑप्शन ए में. तो 2 हो जाएगा ए. तो 3 है आपका 6 to the power 6, that is your 3 multiply by 2 to the power 6. तो 3 to the power 6 multiply by 2 to the power 6. ये है आपका ऑप्शन डी में. ठीक है. And 4 will be option B. You can check it. So C, A, D, B. It is in the option number D. So 28th answer will be option D. ठीक है. Question number 29. The given figure is made up of 3 identical squares. If the perimeter of the whole figure is 142, then what is the area of the whole figure? Okay. So let A is the length of the side of the square. So this will be your 8A. 8A plus this 6 centimeter. It is just slided down. So definitely this will be 6. This is 5. So this will be 5. तो 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 equal to हो गया आपका 142. So 8a equal to 142 minus 22. A will be equal to 120 divided by 8. So this is equal to A equal to 15. So area of all the square will be, there are 3 square, so 3 multiply by side, that is your 675 centimeter square. It is in the option number D. The 29th answer is option D. Question number 30. The reciprocal of the fraction equivalent to value of the expression given below. So you can see this minus this is 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. Now this is your 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1. How many 0.1 are there? You can see 1, 2, 3. This is your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 multiplied by 0.1, that is your 0.8. It can be written as 8 by 10. So reciprocal of it will be your 10 by 8. So 1, 2 by 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1, 1 by 4. It is in the option number C. So 30 answer will be option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the questions explained here. Hannah? So now you have a complete preparatory series for preparing your International Olympiad of Mathematics for Silver Zone. You can watch all the videos. It is chapter wise video. There is chapter wise video, and we have solved the 3 previous year question paper also. It will help you to prepare your Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad. Okay. Thank you, and do share this playlist with your friends also. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.